If you have not recorded a talking head video, then don't worry. I am here to help you with 4 easy steps to how to record an awesome talking head video. Hi, I'm Yodhali from Learnyst, and today we are going to learn how to better your skills of making a talking head video. Talking head video is just like this one, where I'm talking to you, right? And it's very simple to make. There are 2 parts to making a better talking head video. First, learning how to record the talking head video. And second, learning how to deliver the message. Before we dive deep into it, please hit that subscribe button so you can get more such videos. So, today we will start with the part 1, how to record an amazing talking head video. Let's get started. Number 1, lighting and background. If you are recording in a room or in an office, then the natural source of light or the lighting in your room is more than sufficient. Just make sure that you are not standing directly under the light source. It will create shadows under your chin, under your eyebrows, under your eyes, and it will not look good on the camera. So it's better if you are standing opposite to the light source. So the light would directly fall on you and you would look brighter. Then you should understand the background should be plain like this. So your students' attention would be only on you and they will focus on what you are telling to them. Number 2, framing. You can frame your talking head video in various ways. But I would suggest you that you should always have a medium close-up shot so that you can showcase a portion of your neck and your shoulders, and you can do hand gestures which will keep your audience, which are your students, engaged. There are various ways. Prominently, there are 2 more ways. One is you can stand or sit in front of the video in a central frame and then talk to your students. This will add a personal touch to your video. Number 2 is you can either sit or stand or be placed in the left or right third vertical line of the video. You can use a video grid to make sure that you are either on the left side or either on the right side. And for the remaining space, just like this, you can put there your images, text, or something which is related to your content so that you can talk about it and showcase it simultaneously on the screen. Number 3, eye contact. You should place your camera at a certain distance and a certain height from yourself so that you can showcase the neck and shoulder portions very clearly. You should use a tripod or a stool to maintain the camera height throughout the video. You can smile while looking into the camera and while talking also, and make sure that your students feel trustworthy with yourself when you're talking. Your students should be interested in you, and for that you should make a clear and constant eye contact throughout the video. Here's a tip. When you're looking into the lens of the camera, then you're matching the eye contact level of the viewers. So it's very easy to make sure that you are having a constant eye contact throughout the video, and you can easily grab the attention of your students throughout the video. Number 4, audio. Choose your location carefully to avoid problematic audio environment. Make sure that you are speaking in a louder and clear voice so that would be audible to your students while listening to the video. You should also be energetic and should find pleasure in teaching. Then it will automatically translate on the screen and your viewers, which are your students, will be connected to you. These were the 4 tips to record your talking head video. You can use these steps to create your own awesome video. Then you can sign up on Learnyst, upload the video on your own website and app, and share and sell it with your students. Isn't that amazing? Don't forget to watch our next video, which will be about how to deliver the message through talking head video. So, if you find this video useful, then like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos and you'll get all the notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!